Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yeston GeFore RTX 4080 Sakura Sugar GPU. So friend, Yeston confirmed the price and release date for its RTX 4080. And friend, Sakura Sugar is a newest custom design that will soon be released, and the company has been relatively quiet about their expansion to the US market, and they could not deny or confirm that through direct communication. And friend, this would be the first RTX 4080 GPU with the white PCB but no longer exclusive feature, and Galaxy have just announced their Half RTX 4080 model which is equipped with the white PCB as well. While the design might be one of the most interesting thing about this card, and the price certainly is not one of them, and the RTX 4080 Sakura is priced at $1,399 US, which is actually $250 more than the cheapest newest RTX 4080 cards. In fact, at this price, we are looking at the most expensive custom models currently sold at, and the new cards actually sell at higher price. The XS Gaming X3W and Asus ROG Strix OC, and friend, the price is definitely not good for the RTX 4080, especially since we are talking about a newcomer to the US market. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.